Hello! Self-balancing devices are electronic devices that uses sensors and motors to keep themselves balanced while in use. They use gyroscopic sensors and accelerometers to detect the movement of the balanced object and adjust the speed and direction of the wheels accordingly, allowing to control the device through shifts in their weight. This time I will present you a project in which the balanced object is a 3D printed plastic cube inside which the reaction wheels and control electronics are located. Nuts and bolts are added to wheel in order to increase its weight, thus increasing the impact of the rotation on the whole device. Ultimately, this is an open source project and the original code and STL parts for 3D printing can be downloaded from mircmk GitHub. After a long research for such similar projects in the internet, I can confidently say that this is the best made project in this area in every way, such as simplicity, easy setup and stable operation. This project is sponsored by PCBWay. This year, PCBWay organized the 7th project design contest, where in addition to electronic and mechanical project, also has been added a new category STM32 project. For the best selected projects are provided rich prizes in cash, coupons and special gifts. Submit your project for participation in this contest from 2nd September 2024 to 9th January 2025. For more detailed information and instruction, visit the given page. Let PCBWay always be your first choice. The control part of the device consists of several components. Arduino Nano microcontroller board, MPU 6050 gyroscope and accelerometer module, NPN transistor, buzzer, 3 resistors, battery, and optionally Bluetooth module for easier tuning. Always an ESP32 microcontroller can be used instead of Arduino, and in that case Bluetooth is built into the microcontroller. The 3 motors are Nidec 24H type. First you need to download and print all the parts. Each large part takes more than 2-3 hours to print, so it took me a few days to print all the parts. These are reaction wheel sides and we need 3 such parts. These are other 3 sides of the cube. Next, reaction wheels that serve to balance the cube. This is the mount plate for the batteries and the controller, on which there is a mounting surface for MPU 6050 sensor board. Small battery holders, 3 pieces. Controller mount plate and mount plate holders. And motor mounts, 3 pieces. To print all the parts you need 0.6 kilograms of PLA material. This is assembled cube side with motor and reaction wheel. This is a half cube with mounted electronic part and battery. In addition to Arduino Nano microcontroller, I also installed the HC06 Bluetooth module for easier setup. This is the other half of the cube that contains the reaction wells along with motors.